Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today, as I'm sure you saw from the title, we have my regular Ipsy Glam Bag. This is almost the bag that wasn't. It showed that it delivered yesterday and it didn't. And I was so afraid I was never ever gonna get it. And then it was here today. So technically my post guy put it in the system that he delivered it when he hadn't. But that's okay because I got it today, so all is forgiven. I can't wait to get in here. I think I have a couple of add-ons this month, so I'm anxious to see what I've got in here. This is the regular Ipsy bag, and starting in October, they actually have 3 bags. They have this, which is the original Ipsy Glam Bag, and it has been $10 per month, but as of October 1st, it's going up to $12 a month. But I believe, and don't hold me to it, if you still go in and sign up for this, you can prepay for a year in advance at the $10 price. It's probably worth doing. The second box, which I've already unboxed and I will tag that up here, is the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. And that is a $25 box, but you get 5 full-size products. And this one you get 5 sample size, sometimes you get full-size products. And then, starting October 1st, we have a new Ipsy Ultimate box. I signed up for it. I want to see what it's all about. It is $50 a month, which I know $50 a month is a really pricey box. But you get 8 full-size products in it and 4 samples. I had to see what it was all about. So I will have that to unbox in October. So be sure and come back and check it out. I have some really high hopes for this thing. And they say that I think in each of the boxes, they're going to let us each make one selection and they will base the rest of the box bag around that selection. Okay, enough talking. Let's get in here and see what I've got. I remember doing add-ons, and I feel like I remember I did a cleanser, but I do not honestly remember what the other one was, but I feel like there were 2. So I've just got my bag open. I'm gonna slide out. Oh, yep, there was the cleanser. Slide out my goodies. Bag full of goodies. Okay, and that is what they're. And we will start with my add-ons since they were on the outside. And actually, one thing that wasn't an add-on is on the outside, and I'm so excited because it's a brush. Spoiler alert, I have a brush. The first thing that I added, because I got the Glam Glow Bubble Cleanser in a Boxycharm a couple of months ago, and it's almost gone. I like it so much that I had to give this a try. And this is the Tropical Cleanse Daily Exfoliating Cleanser from Glam Glow. And this is what that looks like. And it was like a $36 product, if I recall, that we could add on for $12, and you just can't beat a cleanser for $12 if it's a quality one. So let's see. Oh, it's got color to it. That is interesting. It's not clear or white. It's kind of purpley black. Oh, and there's grit in it. I did not realize that. Oh, it smells nice. It smells kind of tropically citrusy. Oh, I like that. I bet that is going to leave me so soft. I don't think that I will use this every day. They call it a daily cleanser. This feels more like a couple times, maybe 3 times a week cleanser to me, especially with my sensitive skin, but it's not too much grit and it's not too hard. I feel like I'm going to be able to use it. So I just looked it up so I could tell you guys a little bit more about it. It is a $34 cleanser, not a $36 cleanser. And it says the superfruit powered exfoliating cleanser gently polishes your skin and wipes out impurities for a renewed glow, like you just got back from vacation, even if you're overdue for one. So that was a great add-on at $12. And my other add-on, which was a little $3 sample add-on, is the Smashbox Studio Skin 24-Hour Wear Hydrating Foundation. And it is just this little one, but I am in search of the greatest foundation. I have a Charlotte Tilbury review that I did that I haven't put up yet because you guys know me and I like things and I'm happy and I don't like to be negative and I feel like it's a little negative, so I haven't put it up yet. But needless to say, I'm still in search of a great foundation. So when this came up as a try-on, I thought I would do it. And this is the lightest color that it came in. Let's see. Oh, it looks like it's gonna, I think it's gonna be perfect. I think it blended right in. You can't even probably see it. It's so perfect. It blended right in with my skin. It's a nice coverage. No scent. I will give that a try, and then maybe we can talk about that, and maybe I'll have something good to say. Okay, down to the bag, because those were my add-ons. This is so fun. It is a nice bag with all of these stars on it and all of the constellations, and the pull tab is made to look like a little crystal sitting in a piece of metal. That is so cool. Let us open it up and hope that I do. It has my products in it. I am so excited. That is both of my bags this month that managed to have my products in it. And Find Your Light is this month's theme. September's all about new paths and possibilities, so whether it's going all out with a bold new lip shade or masking at home to recharge from within, take a moment to rediscover your guiding North Star. Where will it lead you? Hashtag discover yourself. Well, it led me to a coral poppy lip that actually came in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I love the formula a lot. It's the Aqua that I just unboxed in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and I'm not sure that it goes nicely with my shirt, but I'm not sure how well it goes with me. So let's see. I didn't even pick this. They just sent it to me. I know usually I pick the brushes. I'm like, send me a brush. But this is just a lovely brush. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. I hope that you can. It's kind of indigo in color, kind of purple. Kind of purpley. There you go. Oh, can you catch the cast? It's kind of black, but it has a purple cast to it. It's really nice. Let's look at the paperwork and see what kind of brush they say it is. It is a Ferro Brush Contour 218M. This brand's goal? To create luxurious, high-quality, vegan, and cruelty-free products. With midnight blue bristles, this soft contour brush blends your powders, creams, and highlighters evenly and easily, and looks fab in your brush jar too. And you know what I like about the contour brushes? They give you a place to put your fingers, or your thumbs, or however you're, like if you hold it like a pencil, however you're most comfortable. There's a little pinch point there, and I really enjoy that. Let's see what I've got next. I have eyeshadow Glamour, which might be the color, I'm not sure, by Raine. I don't know this brand. This is new to me. That's fun and exciting. Let's get in here and see what it is. I don't generally use single eyeshadows unless they're a really good color that I can just wear on their own. Oh, it's shattered and I can't open this. It is, oh, I'm gonna have to let them know about this. It is nothing but powder in there. And yes, the color is Glamour, but I can't open this. It'll end up all over me and my desk and everything. That is disappointing, but the beauty of Ipsy is they do fix their problems. I have had a couple of issues. Oh, it's even on the outside. There were clues for me. I have had a couple of issues, but they have always fixed them in a timely manner for me. This says Colored Raine Cosmetics eyeshadow in Glamour. This velvety smooth and vegan shadow is ultra blendable, richly pigmented, and long wearing, so your eye look will stay strong from happy hour to after hours. Plus, the foil finish and pearly hue look so good on literally all skin tones. Well, we're gonna have to take their word for it. I will let them know and they will fix that. Okay, next I have paperwork. Skin Iceland Solutions for Stressed Skin. Icelandic Youth Serum. It's gonna make me a youth. What is that? Oh, my cousin Vinny. These two youths. I digress. This says Icelandic Youth Serum. All of Skin Iceland's formulas are made to combat the effects of stress on your skin. This serum is infused with healing ingredients sourced from Iceland, like glacial water, cranberry seed oil, and Arctic cloudberry to address dullness, dryness, and uneven skin tone, and premature aging. I don't know that when you're in your 50s, aging is premature. But you know what? I'm trying it, and if I don't look like a youth, I'm going to be very disappointed. All right, what is next? I have a couple things left in here. It is a full-size Madison Miller lip gloss. What color did I get? What color did I get? I can't find the color. Nobody panic. Sugar Cup. Let's look at the paperwork just in case. Yes. Ofra Cosmetics Ofra by Madison Sugar Cup Lip Gloss. This limited edition collab between beauty guru Ofra Guido. I really hope that I got close to that. And beauty lifestyle vlogger Madison Miller gives us highly pigmented shadows, glosses, blushes, and beyond. This pink gloss with a hint of purple shines up your lips without feeling the least bit sticky. Let's swatch it, and then what do you think will happen if we put it over this nice poppy? This is what it looks like, doe foot wise. Did I show you this? This is so pretty. Let's put it on this side where, oh, it's just a gloss and it's so pretty. It has nice color for a gloss. That is so pretty. Let's put this pink purple over this coral. What could possibly go wrong? Nothing. Nothing at all. It feels very nice. And it even went over that poppy with absolutely no problem. You know, it's not, I don't know, what happens when you mix orange and purple? I don't know. I love this. It has no sticky feeling to it. I mean, it's a lip gloss. You can feel lip gloss, but it's not that, it's just nice. I'm so happy to have this. Oh, I didn't smell it. Let's smell it. It's a sweet smell, but it's a very subtle sweet smell. And I kind of appreciate that. We have been hit in the face with some cupcakey smelling lips lately, and I appreciate that that is a little bit of a lighter smell. And this is a good size tube of Wonder, not Wander, Wonder, Haru Honey Green Aqua Balm Cream. Let's read about what this is. Meaning every day in Korean, this lifestyle brand uses superfood ingredients and natural fermentation technology to formulate their uniquely designed products. This moisturizer uses green tea, honey, and hyaluronic acid to plump and repair. I guess Haru means every day. Sounds good to me. Oh, it has a tiny little seal on it. Well, you know what? I'm going to leave this seal. We have a million moisturizers going right now, and you guys know what face cream looks like. So I cannot wait to try this. I am enjoying my friend Vanessa over at Vanessa Beauties, and she does a lot of skincare. If you guys are into skincare, especially Korean, you should go check her out. She has really enlightened me to some of the Korean skincare, so I am really enjoying it. That was a very nice $10, my last $10 Ipsy bag. I haven't signed up for a year yet. I'm not real clear why. I know I'm not canceling this in the next year. I have to do that when I get off. I'm not sure why I haven't done it yet. I have my two add-ons, which is my Glam Glow Scrub, which was a $34 cleanser that I got for $12 as an add-on. And then I added on this little Smashbox foundation for $3 because I am in search of the perfect foundation. I have this sad little colored Raine eyeshadow in Glamour that I will have them fix. I have this lovely Madison Miller pink Ofra lip gloss. The Skin Iceland Youth Serum, so expect a youth next time I come on here. I have the Haru moisturizer and my lovely Midnight Blue contour brush. I think that's a great bag, especially for $10. I would not be unhappy with it for $12. You know that this Madison Miller lip is more than $12, and I like it a lot. It's going to get used. I love Ipsy. I love the regular Ipsy Glam Bag. I love my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I just think they do a great job. I cannot wait to see what they can do with the Ultimate Box. There are a lot of expectations here. They are really going to have to knock this out of the park. Thank you guys so much for being here. I really appreciate each and every one of you. And if there is something that you wish you were seeing unboxed and you're not seeing it unboxed and you would like me to try it, just let me know below. I am happy to try new things. As you might have guessed, I might have a slight makeup situation. Please like, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And go out and have a great day. Bye guys.